Get over here. Get over here.
Fred, look over here. Oh, what are you doing? Honey, hold his head. Honey, what are you doing? Support his head.
He's doing a good job supporting his own head.
He's a newborn.
Hello. Over there.
You're out of frame.
I'm out of frame.
Yeah.
Uh,
Oh, honey, hold his head.
he's holding his head.
He is not. You're
Look
like
at that.
letting
Look at
it
that.
bob
He's-
all over the
look-
place.
look at that.
Honey, it's just. What are you
He's-
doing? Oh my god. Honey, hold his head.
Are you getting all this? I hope you're getting all this.
I'm getting it, but I'm also concerned that you're letting his head loll about. Oh, yeah.
Okay.